got first year cash back match. We got ourselves a face-off.
Wish I could have been there with you, but I got reasons why I didn't. But it breaks my heart that you did that by yourself. But I know what kind of courage it took to talk about everything that happened. I just want you to know God was with you in spirit, and I've been thinking about you. And I'm so beyond words, just proud of you.
Well, I know, and thank you, honey. And I love you, and I will talk to you later.
I love you too.
All right, bye-bye. Travis had a shattered femur. He had a hole in his left shoulder. He was shot in both arms. He was shot spine, neck, shoulder. And it just makes me want to hug him and take it all away from him. I would so wish I could take his pain and his grief.
Reach your dreams and alive. You can apply for Gerber Life Guaranteed Life Insurance with guaranteed acceptance, regardless of your health. And since this life insurance is guaranteed, you don't have to get a medical exam. In fact, you don't even have to fill out a health question. For a free quote, just call 800-491-3767. Then, when you stop, if you stop watching TV, your family can use the insurance money to help cover your final expenses or anything.
Was not expecting that.
11 years Huntsville, New Reunion Part 1, Saturday, December 31st at 8, 7 Central.
I felt like he wanted to talk and he wanted to tell us his side of the story.
I get to my condo. I was sitting there for, just I don't talk, and then I just listened to her, so I smoked a cigarette. She let myself lost her.
Her picture of her ashes. I want everybody to remember the fun, loving person she was. I just want everybody to know that she had me.
Choices.
Did Eric answer you? I just sent it up.
What's your rank?
100% serious at that point.
Pressure to
Still cooking when I see fried mashed potatoes. Look at them Chitterlings cooking. It's really bad here in Buffalo. I feel bad because a lot of people I'm talking to, they out of power. I have my power, thank God. Thanking the Lord God Almighty for protecting me over the night and watching over me, and nothing happened bad to us. We're stuck in the house, stuck in my apartment building, but across the street, this is the gas station. It done blew down the gas station, the mobile middle pieces by the pumps. And I said, man, it's really still very windy. Very windy. It didn't seem bad to me because you don't see a lot of snow on the ground. But it's a blizzard. It's definitely a blizzard. And I remember the last one we had. I was 11 years old in 1977. But the snow was all the way up to my chest. When we went outside, we had to climb on mountains to try to go get a loaf of bread. It's really terrible. Well, I pray a Merry Christmas to everybody. This is Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas to everybody. I guess I'm not going to be able to go to church tomorrow because I can't even, ain't no buses running. But I'll pray at home and celebrate Jesus in my apartment. Praying for everybody. Hope everybody stays safe. Look how it's shaking the light poles. Oh, man. All right, everybody. Oh, somebody out here walking? Oh, wow. He must really have an urgency. All right, guys. Have a blessed day. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.